Now we are going to learn initial hooks to straight strokes and curved strokes. Normally R and L are frequently mixed with other consonants to form a double consonant, like in words pray, drink, fry with R, and glare, fly, ply with L. And they are also separated from a preceding consonant by an obscure vowel in words like paper, maker, table, Bible, Babel, like that. Obscure matlab confused, not so certain. Are they are also represented by prefixing a hook to the 16 consonants. So these L and R sounds are prefixed to the 16 consonants with a hook to give that sound. So let us see how they will be placed to represent that sounds of R and L to different consonants. So these are the 16 consonants with which either R or L will be hooked either way, like in P, B, T, D, Ch, J, K, G, M, N, F, V, It, D, Sh, J. These are the 16. Now let us see how a R hook is attached to the 16 forms. So I will show you a left side small hook to P. A left side small hook to P adds per P per bar B P ter D der D and der, like that. P B T D J J. So left side small hook before the consonant of P gives the sound of per, and like in the same way B ko bar, T ko ter, D ko dar. Now for this Ch, cher, cher, J, jar, K, कर नीचे से आएगा, और गे गर, कर गर. So small initial hook before che gives the sound of R to the che. Jar, jar, kar, gar. So F, V, it, te. Inside a small hook inside the curve. Var, var. You have to take it as a dark one. Tar, dar, tar, dar, var. So inside the curve आता है अभी जो भी hook है initial small hook that gives the sound of R to the consonant, like F for V var t dar t dar t dar. So small initial hook for ish, J, M and R inside. Inside मतलब shar, shar. होok जैसा ही होना है. No angle should be formed. जर मर नर नर मर jar shar. So small initial hook for sh gives the sound of shar, jar, mar and nar. So par, bar, tar, dar, char, jar, kar, gar, far, bar, tar, dhar, shar, jar, mar, nar. These are the 16. ये आर साउंड, आर हुक का यूसेज है ये. आर हुक इज लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द स्ट्रोक, स्ट्राइट स्ट्रोक एंड कर्व्स में इनसाइड द कर्व्स. सो अभी तक हमने आर हुक का सीख लिया 16 कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साथ. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न एल हुक. आर हुक हमने लेफ्ट साइड में रखा था. नाउ एल हुक इज प्लेस्ड the right side of the stroke. Pal, bal, tal, dal, chal, jal, jal, chal, dal, tal, bal, pal. P, B, T, D, J, J. So right side small hook gives the sound of pal, L to the consonant like P, pal, B, bal, T, tal, D, dal, J, chal, J, jal. और हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रोक्स नीचे से लिख दिया तो कर रहे, ऊपर से एक इनिशियल हुक ऐड किया तो कल, गल, फल. ये एफ के लिए इनिशियल लार्ज हुक है टू गिव द साउंड ऑफ एफ, फल. सेम वल. हियर ओनली स्मॉल हुक फॉर कर्व्ड वन. For giving the sound of L to the consonant, we use larger hook because we have already far के लिए small hook हमने use किया था. To differentiate between fal and far, we are giving a larger hook to the curved stroke like in fal, val, it, dal. I will show you them next. It, the, m, n. इसके लिए भी लार्जर हुक, लार्ज इनिशियल हुक. तल, तल, लार्ज वन टू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन तर एंड तल. एंड धल, लार्जर वन. मल, नल, तल, तल, mal and null. So initial large hook to the curved strokes like in it, d, m, n, tal, dal, m, mal, null. In shall we wrote a shar like this, शर. बट शल SHL साउंड देने के लिए हम नीचे से ऊपर लिखता है, नीचे से ऊपर शर लिखता है. इट इज शल इज ऑलवेज रिटन अपवर्ड्स ओनली. ए स्टैंडर्ड रूल है. शल इज ऑलवेज रिटन अपवर्ड्स. रिटन अपवर्ड्स विथ इनिशियल लार्ज हुक गिव्स द साउंड ऑफ शल एंड शर डाउनवर्ड्स. सो दैट आपको कंफ्यूजन कभी जिंदगी में नहीं होगा. आप ऊपर से हुक लगा के नीचे लिख दिया तो इट गिव्स द साउंड ऑफ ओनली शर ओनली, एंड नीचे से ऊपर लिख दिया तो इट गिव्स द साउंड ऑफ शल. सो शर ऑलवेज हम डाउनवर्ड ही लिखेंगे एंड शल हम ऑलवेज अपवर्ड से लिखेंगे. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर टू दिस टू थंब रूल्स. शल ऑलवेज डाउनवर्ड्स, शल ऑलवेज अपवर्ड्स. आपको डाउट आ गया होगा रे के साथ क्यों हुक नहीं लगाया था, एल हुक और आर हुक. रे के साथ हम इसलिए नहीं लगाया, ऑलरेडी हमारे पास रे ऐसा लिख दिया तो हम वे वैसा लिख रहा है और ये ऐसा लिख रहा है. सो आप कोई भी इनिशियल आर हुक लगाने के लिए आर के साथ आर तो आएगा नहीं है और आर के साथ आर भी नहीं आएगा, डब्ल्यू के साथ दोनों तरफ आपको कभी नहीं हो पाएगा. इसलिए हम वी आर नॉट एम्प्लॉइंग एनी हुक टू रे as it confuses the learner between with u sorry with y with way and a. इसलिए हम कभी इसको हुक नहीं लगा रहा है. अब हमने इंग का अभी तक यूज नहीं किया. सो इंग के साथ हम स्मॉल इनिशियल हुक लगा दिया तो इंग के साथ स्मॉल इनिशियल हुक लगा दिया तो it gives the sound of ng, kr, ng, ing, kr and ing, gar, like in banker, finger. So banker, finger, sorry small होना चाहिए, finger, finger. So banker above the line, finger through the line, banker and finger. The hooked forms per, pal, fal, fur and fal, they are called by their syllabic names like fur, pal, fur and fal, like that. To give that sound only we use them. Hooks and placement of vowels. Actually, vowels are placed and read to the hooked forms as if they are placed and read to the simple forms. Like in P. P के साथ हम आई लगा दिया तो पाई पढ़ेंगे ना. P के साथ लगा दिया तो पाई पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन पल के साथ आई लगा दिया तो हम पढ़ेंगे प्लाई. प्लाई, अप्लाई, अप्लाई वैसा है सेम. टाई, ट्राई, डाई, ड्राई, like that. Leader, leader, leaderless. Okay. Pretty, 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 pretty and pretty. Like that. Try, tie and trifle, trifle. Try, trifle, trifle, trifle. मतलब पढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको. Trifler, 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 like that. The hooks are read with the hooks. जब एल हुक की बात आता है, एक्चुअली हम इसको ऐसा पढ़ता है जिसके साथ हम उसको अटैच कर रहे हैं उसको ना पढ़ते हुए उसके बाद में पढ़ता है, लाइक इन डीप, डीप, डीपली, डीप, डीपली, ब्रीफ, ब्रीफली, फल नहीं पढ़ रहा है, ब्रीफली, एल के बाद ओवेल आ रहा है, लेकिन वैसा देख लिया तो फल है, फल के साथ ओवेल नहीं आ रहा है, एल के बाद ओवेल आ रहा है, ब्रीफली। ओके, इधर भी लगा सकते हैं, इधर ही लगा, ब्रीफ, ब्रीफली, थिनली, 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 thinly, through the line stroke. In the same manner, peevishly, peevishly, हमने पहले सीखा था shall is always written upwards, come what may. That is the only one and only principle governing that shall. upward लिखना ही पड़ेगा आपको, और कोई रास्ता नहीं है। peevishly, 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 through the lane. So that is the end of the lesson. Thereafter he has given some grammars, like if per is written through the line, per is written through the line, per is written through the line, principal, principally, principal, तीनों के लिए एक ही है, पर थ्रू द लाइन, प्रिंसिपल, प्रिंसिपल, प्रिंसिपली, तीनों के लिए। अब if बर written above the line, liberty, liberty, okay, and if bar is written through the line, number। आपको धीरे धीरे सिखा रहा है ये, so you need to learn and practice each and every one. Number, and if bar is written on the line, bar is written on the line, remember, 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 remembered, remember, remembered, and member also. And if tar is written, tar, truth, and if dar is written above the line, डॉक्टर। आप कैसा लिखना है डॉक्टर को, आप मतलब कॉन्टेक्स्ट के अकॉर्डिंगली आप जाना पड़ेगा। इफ द पेशेंट गोज टू डॉक्टर, यू हैव टू राइट फुल डॉक्टर। अदरवाइज इफ दे आर मेंशनिंग सम नेम ऑफ ए पर्सन along with doctor, then you have to write dr, okay, and if dar is written dear, dar is written through the line, dear. If the same dar is written through the line, sorry, on the line, वो dear है, if the same dar is written through the line, is during, during, and if char is written above the line, sorry, on the line, it is chair, If it is written through the line, cheer. Cheer. And if jar is written above the line, larger. And if kar is written on the line, kar. Line kharab hai. So if it is written on the line, if it is written on the line, care. So principal, principal, principally. If par is written through the line. If bar is written above the line, liberty. If bar is written through the line, this number. If bar is written on the line, remember, remembered, and member also. And if tar is written on the line, it represents truth. And if dr is written, dar is written above the line, doctor or doctor, abbreviation dr. And if dr is written on the line, it represents dear. And if it is written through the line, it represents during. And chair, if it is written on the line, it represents chair. And if it is written through the line, it represents chair. And jar above the line represents larger. And kar on the line represents care. Exercise number 39 and 40. They are read, copy and transcribe exercises, and most of them are only, or they are words only. He is trying to give you as many words with the initial hooks to practice, like pay, pray, prayed, buy, bride, bright, brighter, tie, try, trial, cry, cried, like that. He has given so many words to practice. The 40th also you have to write pry, per, I, try, pride, same, per and d above the line, pride, and preacher, per and char through the line, preacher, like that you have to practice. Okay, each word try to practice them 3 lines so that you will gain confidence to write the stroke as and when it is necessary in a speed writing. And thereafter he has given some exercise number 41 and 42. They are he is trying to give you some practice with all these words. You have to practice first this shorthand one. You have to transcribe it in English, and thereafter try to compare it with the key. And thereafter, after looking at the English version, you try to write the passage in a shorthand. Same 42 is also like that. You have to practice. Just go through the lesson before start practicing, so that with a clear mind you can gain confidence and learn the things very quickly. Okay, for this day the lesson is over, and we will meet again in another lesson after some time. Good day. Important note: don't try to remember the strokes without practicing. Practice, practice, and practice. There is no other way to learn and master stenography.